Okay. All right, boys, go ahead. Go ahead, Mel. Push it forward. Don't run over Mom, Jacob. Go ahead, Bubba, you can do it. Push up. Jacob, careful. Don't go by the cars. Woo, good job, Mel.
I'm the winner.
Now my eyeballs are waking up. Yes. This is our therapeutic therapy. Something that's fun, Mel enjoys. It still helps his motor skills. So, uh-oh, we're way over there. We got 2 remote control police cars.
Okay, let me see real quick. Let me bring it back to you.
Should have got 3. One for Daddy. What's he thinking? Is it too far away? Oh, he's gonna get Jacob. He's gonna get him. All right, Bubba's. It's all yours. You will push up. Good. He's pushing up anyway, it's not working.
You got it. Here, Mel. Put your finger on top of it like this. Now do it. Now turn it.
Oh, nice. Good job, Bubba. Can you do it without Daddy's help? Wiggle this finger back and forth on this one. Let it loose just a little bit. There you go. There you go. That's you all by yourself, Bubba. Good job. Bring it back. Nice. Jacob just ran over you. Okay, push forward. Bring it back. Bring it back. This way. This way. No, this way. This way. You're going to go over to the hotel. You see it? Good job moving your head, looking for it. Good. It's okay, Jacob. Oh, you're such a good brother. You're just amazing. You guys gonna race again? All right, here we go.
Oh, not yet. Never.
Well, line it up. Bring it over here.
How do I light it up?
Line it. Just pick it up and set it next to Melmo's. Don't move it yet, Melmo. Wait for ready, set, go. Okay. Wait for ready, set, go. Okay. When I say ready, set, go, then you can push forward. Okay. Are you boys ready? Jacob, put it. That's some really good skills, Jake. I'm very impressed. All right, ready? On your mark. Mel, you ready? Look forward. Come on. On your mark. Get set. Go. Go, Mel. Go. Go. Push the button up. Go. You can do it. Hard. Good. All by yourself. That was awesome. Awesome. Go, 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 go. Good job, guys. Hey, look at me. Say I love you. Can I say I love you? Oh, you want to play? Yeah, you're totally engaged in that, aren't you? Moving your head and everything. Good job. All right.